Hey everybody, it's Rick. Welcome back to the channel, DIY Rick66. Appreciate you coming back. Now, I've compiled a list of some items here. I could do individually all these items, but I really don't want to do that, and you probably don't have the time to watch all that. So I recently just purchased a Jeep Gladiator truck, and I've been looking at ways of like trying to clean our cars up. My wife has a Jeep Cherokee. You've probably seen it on other videos, and we're trying to simplify that, make it a little easier down here in the South Carolina heat. And I've looked into these foam spray guns and things like that, and I'm going to try them out. So these are the products that I've compiled a list of that I've looked at on the internet. I've seen some positive reviews, and we're trying to save some money, but then also have some decent products. I mean, everything comes from China these days, so I'm not really sure how long it holds up or anything like that, but I'm going to show you what I got, and maybe I'm going to recommend it, and then maybe down the road we'll take a look at it again. But hey, if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. It's running down there the whole time in the corner. Give us a like and a thumbs up and let YouTube know. If you like our videos, share with your family and friends, and let's get to it. So let's start off from the beginning. This is Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Condition. Washes and conditions paint in one step. Rich, luxurious suds. Well, we'll see about that. But it also has down here a little emblem that says great for snow foam cannons. I've read the review on these. People seem to like them. This one did come from Amazon. All this stuff came from Amazon. I'll put the links on there. Sometimes you can catch it on eBay, but at the bottom of the video on the description page, I'll put links on there. Whatever kind of residual income that generates, it's fairly small. It does help the channel to get other products if we need to. So it's supposed to be good on all kinds of surfaces, and also for new cars and stuff like that. It's been around forever, and hopefully it won't hurt our finish or anything like that. So there you are. There's number one. Of course, we have the pressure washer. This is the Westinghouse 212cc. Generates 3,400 psi, 2.6 gallons per minute, and it's made by Westinghouse. I already did a review on this. I really do like this. I just don't like this stiff hose here. It gets all knotted up and crazy, so we're going to get rid of that. And upon recommendation on the internet, once again, we've gone with this hose here. It's made by UBERFLEX. Supposedly it's kink resistant. I got the 35 feet one, and this one's supposed to be up to 3,700 psi, which is the red one. The blue one I think only goes up to like 3,000. I just wanted to make sure. I don't think we're going to max out at 3,400, but just in case, I want to make sure I have a hose that works and is flexible. And you read all the reviews on that, that's pretty good. Now, this runs about 11 bucks, I think, for 64 fluid ounces, and you only use like a couple capfuls in your soap gun. And this runs about $35, I think, $36. And it's got nice connections on there. I'll open this all up in a little bit. Now with the connections, they don't really come with a lot. You're going to need something like this. This is a quick disconnect kit. It's for pressure washers. This is maximum pressure up to 4,500 psi. Should be plenty. Got lots of adapters there. Quick disconnects. We're going to pop them open. This was about $22. And of course with all that, then you got to have a gun. Now I have a long gun here. Don't want to really hoss that thing around. That's a bit of a pain in the neck. And I don't want to hook it up to that. So we ended up going with a short gun. That is really short. I mean, my hands are pretty big, but that's a small gun right there. Already comes with a quick disconnect. You're going to put your other quick disconnects on the bottom of there, and they're going to go to the new hose, which is going to go to the pressure washer. It's got a little swivel on it, so it swivels. Nice handle. Model number on this one is, looks like IZG PM. Supposed to handle up to 4,000 psi and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Obviously made in China. Once again, don't know how that's going to hold up, but for my hands, it seems like it's going to work pretty good. This was about $25, $27, I think. Then here we are. This is the soap gun. There are tons of soap guns on the market. You can get ones all the way up to 100 bucks, depending on what you want. This is made by DVR Tech. It got pretty good reviews on Amazon, so I thought I'd just try it out and see if it works out okay. Quick and easy installation, rust resistant finish, adjustable foam density. It says it has a 10-year manufacturer warranty on it. I don't know about that. They'll probably go out of business before they honor that warranty. So let's just check this out. I mean, this isn't very big either. Everything looks big on the internet. You get it? It's like this. That's just a small jar. There's increments on here up to, it was like 32 ounces up to here. It's got a little 32 ounce line there. So you fill your water up to that, you're gonna fill your soap up there, like I said, a couple capfuls. We'll try 2 and see what happens. Here's the top part. I wanted the wide mouth rather than the small ones. A lot easier to get your water in there. It just has a straight little hose like this, with a little strainer on the bottom there. Comes with some Teflon for your seals, and there you go. That's gonna screw right on top of the bottle. Here's how you're gonna regulate your foam. There is tons and tons and tons of videos online about these things. I just got the one that goes this way. If I want to turn the bottle, I'll turn it myself. This isn't really rocket science. It's pretty small, so it's pretty easy. Just turn your hand if you have to. If you want to hold it that way, or if you want to use the sprayer, it's, you know, nothing. So I went with this one, which just gives you the fan pattern. Doesn't turn it sideways like this. To spray like this, it'll spray up and down in a fan pattern. And it has a quick disconnect there also. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put all this together. You don't want to see all that mess. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash my vehicle, and if I find some points on there, I'll let you see it.
Okay, it might be a little bit noisy. I got my pressure washer running there, so it makes it a little noisy. So right now we're gonna try the small gun with just some water on it. We're gonna regular spray tip. Here it is. I'm pulling the soap out of the pressure washer tank. We're seeing a little residual soap. Now we're going to switch over to the actual soap gun. So far the hose is working great. It's nice and flexible. I got the 50-foot one. Quick disconnect. This is why I said you didn't really need to have that attachment when you turn it into a certain bottle like this. Not that hard. Hold it. Follow this back. Tip included. Buy a smaller tip to put in here. You make it a stronger cream for more soap. Like I said, I only got 2 capsules in there. We might go in there for another 3. I'll come back and try that. Alright, so now there's 3 capsules in there. Let's shake it up. See if that makes any difference. If not, we may have to change out the tip to one online. Thick now. It's not like you see sometimes on there where it's like completely major shaving cream, but I can change the tip out probably on that. It works fine. I'm not getting any leaks out of the quick disconnects. The hose is working great. I could tweak this if I want to. Some people like it running where it runs off a little bit more. All depends on what you want, but for just a basic setup like that, I think we might be like under $100 with everything, not including the pressure washer. But I'll put all the links down there. If you like it, let me know. But for us, I think it's going to work fine. let it sit. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope it helped. I see a lot of videos on there that really didn't help me on YouTube, but we kind of narrowed it down to some things that might be economical and it might work for a while. We'll see. We'll see how long this stuff holds up. Take care, everybody. Have a great summer.